that bird chirping? He's chirping, y'all. Alright, y'all, yeah, we're chilling at the island. I came back and I realized they took the furniture and they took the table. So I'm doing my modeling with it. This phone leaned up against a tree. That tree right there, I'm probably gonna lean it against his buggy. I'm still gonna do my modeling photos today. But yeah, they jacked the furniture from the wilderness. I'm like, how do they get energy to take the furniture from the wilderness? I'm like, what in the world? Okay. I'm like, oh well, y'all, it was a studio and they took it back, y'all. It's okay, it's still a pretty day, y'all. Oh, I brought my flashlight too. I'm gonna listen to some music with this thing.